Got the entrance here, the sign. As you can see, got a bunch of people already lined up over here. I got all the cars already loading up right there. Got 2 of them already. Look at this track, it's so shiny. Oh, this is crazy. Oh, it's kind of moving.
When you hold it down, it's gonna to go. Back is for brake.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Cool stuff.
If you want to get loaded up here, just hold it down for me. It's gonna get you closer to on that belt system there.
Okay, cool.
How's your day going?
Good, good. How's yours?
Good.
Been busy today?
It has been so far.
Weather's pretty good though.
It is. A week or 2 ago it's cold, and now it's 80 degrees.
Oh, I hate it.
It's weird.
It's bipolar, man. I'm going right up the lift here. And apparently we can use our phones. This was kind of the craziest thing. I do got my GoPro mounted on me right here. See, we're lifting up. There's some of the curves as you're going up there. You go up this like slight incline right here, and then kind of flattens out and then goes up. I think the final incline. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put my phone away. Let's do this. My first time doing any sort of alpine coaster. This is amazing. Look at that. Going up. Oh, we're going so far up. This is nuts. All right, switching to GoPro cam. Here we do it.
Please push your handles forward and enjoy the ride.
Let's, oh my gosh. It's sort of creepy. Okay. Here, 80 feet, do not bump. I gotta watch out for people, I guess. I'm trying to figure out why we had to sign a waiver. Here, 80 feet. Oh boy. Whoa, oh, this is nuts. It's so wavy. Oh my gosh. All right, we'll do full speed down this right here. See? Oh my gosh. Oh, the stop approaching. Is there a second lift? Oh, there is a second lift. End of track
Please
approaching.
slow down. There is a stop approaching.
Currently going up the second lift here. I didn't know there's gonna be a second lift, but I guess the mountain's only so big, so you gotta get it to go up again. That way you get more of a ride out of it. Obviously you don't want this to last like 30 seconds. I don't know whether to keep my feet on this one and keep my knees bent, or to like just go straight, but my feet don't touch the end right there. I feel like a child. It's way more comfortable that way. Nice like atmosphere out here. I love this. Really nice day out here too. It's like maybe 80 degrees at most, but it's really breezy too, so it's nice. Here, 80 feet, do not bump. All right, press forward to release the brake. I kind of want to slow down a bit, let some people go in front of us. That way I can kind of pick up some speed. Oh heck yeah, look at this. See how fast I can go without hitting the brake. Woo! Oh, this is so cool. Slow down, let them go. Pick up some speed around here. I kind of feel it like braking on its own at certain parts here. I'm sure it's a safety measure. There we go. Huge curve here. Oh yeah, it does kind of slow down on its own there. I think we might be coming to the end of it here, I believe. Oh no, I think it might be another lift actually. Go. We got up a whole nother lift here. I don't know if this is the end or if we're going down another stream of track. I guess we're getting ready to see here. So I don't know, 3 lifts so far is pretty cool. If there's still more track after this, I'm fully impressed. This we're like completely surrounded around track. There goes somebody right here. It's just track, it's like spaghetti mold all over the place around here.
Please push your handles forward and enjoy the ride.
Oh yeah, here we go. We got a second go around. Heck yeah. All right, now I'm not gonna hit the brake unless I have to, unless somebody's coming up. I'm just gonna go full speed down this thing. Let's do it. Woo, this thing whips. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is the best part of it. Oh my god. It's really smooth too. Woo.
Alrighty, wait for the ride. Get your shot, then your legs are on the left.
All right.
Your video card.
All right, cool. Thank you so much. Yep. Just got off a ride. Jay, you liked it, right?
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
It was fun. Yeah.
That was a good birthday gift for me, right? And you?
Yeah, that was a lot of fun. Celebrating Jay's birthday on the Alpine Coaster. All right, well, I was gonna get a penny pincher right here. They do have like 4 of them to choose from. I got this Outside of Weights, Adventure, little compass. I don't know about that one. Probably get this one since it kind of displays everything. But unfortunately, I don't carry change on me. I went to my car and I don't have any. It's completely depleted. But I'll have to come back though. So I don't think you have to pay anything to actually get in. So I can just come back if I wanted to. All right, so we're right up front of the general store. Over there was a Cliff Carver. That's where we came from. And then kind of taking a look around here, we have a little bit to look at. They do have one of those things where you can take a picture with your face in hole sort of thing. And then over here off in the horizon, you can see they have the mini golf course all laid out over there. And I think that's something that is like included with your stay. So you can see right there, you get your golf clubs, your balls over there, pick your choice of color. That's pretty awesome out here. Definitely makes me want to come and grab a cabin off that way. Then we got an old Dodge right here. As you can see in there, you got all the old parts and things all kind of intact. I think the radio's picked out of there. What is it?
It's a squirrel.
Oh, it's a squirrel. Well, you're not the squirrel, you're the
rider.
You're the rider, you're the child. My daughter would love this. Oh yeah, no, you gotta be pretty tall to like be the child.
I can't
like,
even reach that.
I don't even think.
There's no step ladder either. Oh, there's rocks that you stand on.
Are you gonna stand up there?
Try. Nope.
No, yeah, I don't even think I could do that. Oh, then they even got a coffee stand over there. It's like an old-timey carriage from the Oregon Trail sort of taste. And then to the right of the Cliff Carver, they even have an arts and crafts section right there. I actually thought it was like a place where they were serving food because they got that right there. Crafts, activities, and fun. I'm sure a lot of cool stuff for the kids to do. Hey, accidentally deleted the outro. Basically, me and Jay just described how much fun we had on the mountain coaster. We went out there as sort of a little celebration to celebrate Jay's birthday. Happy belated birthday, Jay. I know you're watching this. So happy that he invited me out. I don't know why I didn't go ride this mountain coaster sometime sooner, but if you're thinking about doing a mountain coaster out here in Texas, this is the only one. So if you're in the Central Texas area and this is something that you're interested in, I highly recommend it. It is definitely worth the detour. You can go out to Camp Fimfo, get a day pass, and then you can have access to all the other things and amenities that they have available there at Camp Fimfo. I'm actually now heavily considering doing a video where I get a night stay out there at Camp Fimfo and do just a full review of the entire property just to show you everything there, because there's just so much more to it. Then I realized they even have a water park over there, so probably wait till summertime comes around, maybe rent a mountain bike and head on out there and ride some of the trails that they have available as well, play some mini golf. Surely they have some events and things going on. Like I said, highly recommended. But anyway, if you liked the video, like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But with that being said, have a good day.